Dan, welcome. Why Tesla? Why now?
Thank you so much, Tyler.
You bet.
Look, I think what's been pretty clear in the last year and a half is that we've seen really strong fundamentals out of Tesla. We've seen positively inflecting volumes. Basically, every unit they produce, they can sell. The margins have surprised sharply to the upside. I think the challenge for us was always in the valuation. And with this market pullback, we see an attractive entry point that we think it's smart to take advantage of.
And where do you think the stock can go from where it is today? I see on the Chiron there, 1,025.
Our target price is $1,000.25. We do have a blue sky case of 1,700. Look, I think that Tesla stock is a function of both fundamentals, but also non-fundamental factors. So to the extent that the fundamentals continue to remain supportive, and if you have any sort of a resumed appetite for growth, that should support upside for the stock.
Dan, let's talk about valuation. Are you looking at price to earnings or what metric?
Yeah, thanks, Kelly. So our valuation methodology is based off of an outlook on 2030. It is based on a PE outlook at that time, and we discount it back. But we're also embedding other probabilities for upside and downside scenarios. So while we may not per se directly embed upside from something like robotaxi in our base case, we are embedding some upside optionality through those other bull cases. And that's how we get some upside to our target price and also supporting the blue sky scenario.
So let's talk about competition here. It's not as if the field is not crowded and about to get more so. Does Tesla have a moat or a puddle?
It is a moat. We definitely think that there is some narrowing of the gap between Tesla and its competition. We're definitely seeing more product come out. It's compelling product. But the reality is that Tesla has done a very good job maintaining its market share until now. And I think the key point here really in the EV market is this is a market that's right now not defined by demand so much as it is by supply. Whatever you can produce, you're going to sell. And I think where Tesla has a lead is not only on very compelling product that we still haven't seen anyone fully catch up to Tesla, but also that they have very favorable supply dynamics. They've really thought very holistically about the entire supply chain. And so we feel comfortable that as they continue to get more capacity online, that should drive further volume growth and really maintain that lead.
How much is Tesla's value attributable to the Musk factor?
Listen, there is definitely a Musk premium that's embedded in the stock. But I think we've seen more than that in the stock. I think you have a stock here that checks all the boxes in terms of hyper growth, in terms of sustainability, disruption. Elon Musk obviously plays a key role in that, but they've executed to that really in the past year and a half. And this is where I think, while I think the market's not fully embedding much of the opportunity on autonomous, and our call today is not really about what they're doing in autonomous, to the extent that someone was willing to embed that probability in the valuation, they get a bit more of that credit simply because they've done so well on disruption up until now.
Dan, great synopsis. We thank you for your time today. Appreciate you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.